Welcome to the Haplast factory, where every product is made with a commitment to quality and environmental care. Today, let's explore a convenient and eco-friendly product, Haplast's poop bags. Our poop bags are designed for durability, securely containing waste without tearing or leaking. They're the ideal solution for pet owners, offering convenience and reliability in every use. A key feature of Haplast poop bags is their convenience. The compact roll design allows each bag to be easily pulled as needed. Size just right, they're perfect for pets of all sizes, from small to large. With a simple, secure tie, Haplast poop bags ensure cleanliness and odor control, making them comfortable for every use. We understand that convenience and hygiene are essential for pet owners. Haplast poop bags, durable, convenient, and ready for any task. The perfect choice for you and your pet. Haplast, partnering with you for quality and care.